Absolutely. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create powerful prompts for Leonardo AI. Whether you're aiming for photorealistic images, fantasy art, or concept designs, I'll break it down nice and easy. How to create prompts for Leonardo AI 1. Start with the subject. Be clear about what you want to generate. Start by naming the main focus of your image. Example: a grilled salmon fillet, a futuristic city skyline, an ancient warrior princess. 2. Add descriptive details. Now add details to bring your subject to life. Think about what it's doing, what's happening in the scene. What should the viewer feel or notice? Example: transformed into a miniature construction site with tiny workers in helmets and a crane placing garnishes. 3. Describe the environment background. Explain where your subject is. What does the background look like? What's the setting? Example: soft, smoky background like it's fresh off the grill, warm lighting like a cozy kitchen. 4. Mention the style you want. Leonardo AI supports tons of art styles. Choose a vibe or art style to guide the generation. Style type examples: photorealistic, hyper-realistic, macro photography, iPhone shot, fantasy whimsical, magical realism, cartoon, anime cute cartoon, anime character, cyberpunk futuristic, neon lights, surreal dreamlike, abstract forms. Example: hyper-realistic food photography, clean composition, iPhone photography style. 5. Define lighting and mood. Lighting can make or break your image. Describe the mood, lighting, and color tone. Examples: natural daylight with warm shadows, golden hour with cinematic lighting, dark, moody atmosphere with neon highlights. Specify camera and focus, optional but powerful. Tell Leonardo about the camera angle, lens, or depth of field to get pro results. Examples: macro lens effect, shallow depth of field, wide-angle shot, cinematic framing, portrait mode with blurred background. 7. Add finishing touches. Enhance your prompt with textures, colors, special effects, fog, smoke, particles, etc. Example: vibrant colors, sharp food textures, steam rising from the dish, tiny glowing particles.